This is the programmer Al, and in this video I'm going to walk through an Edabit Python challenge called Is the Word Singular or Plural? And this one's a very basic one because it's not including like irregular plurals like children. It's just looking for words that end in an S. So like change is false because it's not plural. True for changes because it has an S at the end. So basically we're just looking to see, and we can look at the test and we can see that there's no irregular plurals in there. It's very simple. If it ends with an S, it's going to be true. If it doesn't end with an S, return it as false. So there are two different ways you could do this. You could do the if or else version of logic, or you can simplify it and just do return, because this will automatically return a Boolean value. You don't have to actually explicitly state it. So we want to return the argument, which is the word, and the method or the function we're going to use is endswith, and then we want to see if it ends with an S. And then automatically, because it's a return statement, it automatically knows how to tell if it's true or false. It should pass all the tests with just this simple line of code. And let's see if the tests pass. And yes, they do. And that is a very basic version of determining in Python whether a word is plural.